Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a super refreshing summer dish, spicy tofu skin sheets with bean sprout salad. The tofu is tender. The bean sprouts are super crisp, simple to make, light and flavorful. Here I have one sheet of dried tofu skin, around 170 grams. Just slice it into shreds. And this is mung bean sprouts from the store, about 300 grams. They are actually the star of today's dish. I'm adding some shredded carrots too, just a bit for color and crunch. Totally optional. If you are not a fan of carrots, you can skip it. I'm also preparing a few dried chilies and some minced garlic. Alright, let's get cooking. First, boil some water. Once it's bubbling, toss in the bean sprouts and give them a quick blanch. When the water comes back to a boil, add the tofu shreds. Let everything cook briefly. And now, wait for the water to come back to a boil again. That's important. Only then scoop everything out. Rinse under room temperature water. Let it cook completely. Then gently squeeze out as much water as you can. That will help the flavors really soak in later. Now, let's build the sauce. In the bowl with garlic and dried chili, pour in 3 tablespoons of hot oil. Listen to that sizzle. The aroma is everything. Add 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, half a tablespoon of black vinegar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, half a tablespoon of chili oil, and just a few drops of Sichuan peppercorn oil. Give it a good stir. This sauce is gonna bring it all together. Now in a big mixing bowl, add the shredded carrots. Pour the sauce all over. Then use your hands to gently mix everything up. Toss until every piece is coated and shiny. This one is for me. So flavorful without being greasy. Super refreshing. It's the perfect dish for a hot summer day. You've got to try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.